In this video, let's see what are the steps to import stock journal. Create the Excel document using the recommended Excel formats. Make sure that all of the mandatory columns are appropriately filled up in Excel files. Use Tally ODBC to connect fast in Flow Excel to Tally. Select the Stock Journal form from the Accounts Vouchers menu. Select the prepared Excel file by selecting the Load Excel button, located at the bottom of the screen. Check the lists of common errors for correction if the Excel file cannot be loaded or if any error messages appear. To analyze the loaded data, use the Data Grids filter, search, and group features. To verify the connection between the connected masters of the voucher, click the Verify Masters button at the bottom of the screen. For instance, ledgers, cost centers, stock items, godowns, units, voucher types, and so forth. Missing masters can be automatically created. To choose the default voucher type and other options, click the Configuration button, upper right on the grid. To Tally, upload either all or selected vouchers now. Now click the Upload to Tally button to immediately upload information into Tally. Use the checkbox on the left side of the data grid. For information on the records imported, consult the import process, log, and report. Users must check and verify the tally when the upload is complete. Get free demo of Excel to Tally software at www.fastinflow.com.